journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. To lead people, follow them. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Get rid of the desire to have. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Soft and weak wins over hard and strong. True words are not pleasant. Pleasant words are not true. Live for the praise of others, and you will become their prisoner. There is nothing softer and more flexible than water, but try to resist it. Watch your thoughts. They become your words. Watch your words. They become your actions. Watch your actions. They become your habits. Watch your habits. They become your character. Watch your character. It becomes your destiny. The wise man avoids all extremes. When people know a lot, it is difficult to manage them. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Man dies from birth. Knowledge is the treasure, and practice is the key to it. Who knows doesn't say. Who speaks doesn't know. He who is satisfied with his lot is rich. Whoever talks a lot often fails. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way